Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to talk about something for a second. Delimiter. Alright, so where to separate. So sometimes you'll see separation. This is all delimiter. So let's just jump to it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Let's use this one and we'll go from here, and I'll put this example, or you can copy it, but I'll put this example in the description. But if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're clicking that subscribe button, notification bell, and if this type of video you like, go ahead and hit that like button for me. So alright, let's just run this and put this into memory and pull this up. So right now this has some stuff in it, so let's let it look like we're used to. Okay, now let's just keep this simple with the string split so we can read this. So okay, because I was reviewing my notes and I overlooked delimiter, so I apologize, but let's explicitly talk about it because we're going to need to start having control of what to split on, or how to split, or what we need to be on the lookout for data sets. So alright, with this split method, it uses sep for separation, and if we look, using sep as the delimiter string, so this automatically defaults to none, and with none it's going to separate on the white space. So every blank white space, every space. So we do this split, and I want to draw your attention to this. It removes, hang on, and it removes the delimiter. Okay, so it was split on the white space or the space, and now the space is gone. So if we were to do this on split and then the new line, oops, let's see, send dot split and close this out. There we go. So now I have white spaces, but it split on my new line right here. So now if I were to go, and you can set the delimiter for anything, so split, to really bring this home, let's do this on the e's, the e character. So it will split, remove the e character, and split on that. So delimiter, if you see sep, typically you're going to see, now you may not see delimiter in the documentation, but separation, delimiter, sep, all the same thing. Okay, so I wanted to make sure we covered this because we're going to start utilizing this a lot. So I really try to be explicit, so I apologize for not touching on this before. I went back and looked at my split and I just left it blank and used white space, so I apologize for that. But this is very important to understand, and I just wanted to make sure we did. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking and sharing. You guys have been doing an awesome job, tons of subscribers, wonderful comments. So please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below. Those are my favorite. Really helps me understand what you guys need. But as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.